Look at it. It's right there on
October 22.
Let's see kung may laman. Boxes lang dito guys. Hello guys. Welcome po sa ating diving. Oh, boxes. Hi guys, welcome po sa ating diving. Tignan natin ito. Kung anong laman. Walang laman. Oops. Ay, may ano oh. Cat leather guys. Merong cat leather tayo nakuha. Dito ano pa? Meron pa guys oh. Ano yan? Meron pang cat leather doon oh. Meron. Ano? Laundry. Sana makuha ko ito eh. Kaloka. May laman. Look. Hindi niyo makita. Ano ito oh? Oh my god, may mga laundry detergent. Sana makuha ko ito. Kasi sayang. Look oh, yun yung gamit namin. Leather. Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating pagda-dive. Nakaano tayo ng isang garbage over there. Balikan natin yan mamaya. Dito tayo babalik kasi ano po siya, tawag nun. May laman pa siya pero kailangan kong pupunta dito sa ano, unahin ko lang. Doon sa kabilang dumpster. But anyway guys, welcome back sa pagda-dive with my banana. Banana saging, it's right here. Yeah, you're in my banana. Anyway, so welcome back guys. So kita-kits tayo sa kabilang dumpster. Guys, ang puno naman guys. Puno. Puno oh, tignan niyo yan. Punong-puno yung basurahan. Puro lang ano. Puro styro. May galing na dito. Oopsie. Tignan natin ha. Ano to? Okay. Meron hindi nila na-close. Ano to? I'm curious. Read Path and Beyond. Ano to? I'm curious. Ano to? Hindi ko alam ano yan. Pero may laman. May laman siya. Tignan natin guys. Hold on ha. Tignan natin. Close naman sila, so hindi pala nila kino-close kasi meron ito oh. Pero hindi ko alam ano yan. At saka ito it's a bucket oh. I can use this oh. I don't know if I can use that. Ano to? Coffee maker. And this one is a toaster oven. Right. Kinat nila yung wire oh. They cut the wire. Yan. Ano to? This is an air bed. It's basa. Ayaw ko nito. Basa. Meron electric blanket again. Dalhin ko yan. Magagamit ko yan. Electric blanket. And ano pa? Uy, a vase. Oh. A vase. Magagamit ko yan. Ayan. Yan siya. At saka may ano siya. Ano to? Takip. Ano to siya? Okay. Ito magagamit ko to. Sweeper. Yan. Dami. Ay, shark vacuum. Ano pa? Hindi na ako magkuha ng vacuum kasi hindi ko yan magagamit. Parang may galing na dito guys. Let's go. Yeah, may galing na dito. Look, maganda sana to kaso kinat nila yung wire. Ano to? Oven toaster. Look, oh, maganda to ba? Kaso ayaw kong ano. Okay na yan. Ito lang yung kunin ko. Yan. There's a bucket. Be careful. You're gonna drop it. This one here. Just it. That's it. Okay. Okay. Be careful. It's open in the other side. Okay. Hey, for the bed. For bed, hun. Look, it's a wood.
Frame.
It's a frame.
Bed frame. Oh no, the wood parts.
Okay, we don't need it. Hey, there is an oven toaster. Huh?
Those blinds. Those boxes of blinds.
I don't know.
Are they gonna shark vacuum?
Yeah, I don't wanna. The one over there, they cut the wire.
What?
The toaster oven. The one over there. They cut the wire. I don't know. They cut the. It's the vacuum attachment. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna do it like this, that they won't close it. Like that. Okay, what? Toaster oven. Okay. Yeah. That's a vacuum connector here. Hi guys, we went over there and look, we found a lot
Pillows.
of pillows, and they throw, what is it over there?
Couch ottoman.
Couch ottoman. It's a big one, so we cannot bring it.
Ottoman's nice, but it's got a little nicks in it.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. I forgot to record it, guys, but the bag on top of the couch, they have this bag. It's all pillows. It's pillows for decorative. Natin. Ano dito? It's all boxes, guys. Boxes. Tara. Okay, what's in here? There's nothing. It's all just junky. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, it's almost 12. It's 11 actually, 11:30. And the McDonald's na ano namin, nadaanan namin, puno. Yung drive-thru guys, ang puno ng parking, ang dami. Sabi ko, anong mga in-order nila doon? Bakit ano? Parang ang daming bumibili ng McDonald's na burger. Kaluka this hour. Probably it's nice to munch fries right now, right? You want fries? Huh? It's like midnight snack, huh? You tried midnight snack before? Oh, snacky love. Before tayo uuwi, tignan natin yung Staples dumpsters. Nothing, is just garbage. Oh, what is this here? Ano to? This is weird. Ano to andito? Nothing. Ano to? It's just, let's see kung anong laman. Puro boxes. Look, it's all boxes again. Okay guys, let's look over here kung anong tinapon nila guys. Okay, this is may tinapon silang pagkain ba? Alam mo na. Okay. Laman. Walang laman. Okay guys, I'm going inside and look. Andito tayo nakabalik. Open the thing. This one, I'm curious about this. Look, it's a thing, but it's broken. Look. Ay, look.
Other shelves.
Oh my god, no, it's broken. It's broken. I'm going in. Okay. Okay guys. Oh shit. I will put this in the box. Hold on. This box. No, I will put it in the box here. Because it's something here. Okay, here. It's leather, right? Look there. Look. Another cut leather. Okay, it's ripped, oh. What is this? Hala. What is this? Huh? Oh, look at this. Tignan nyo to guys, look. What the heck? This is empty. This is broken up. Huh?
Broken kid size.
I can, okay, put that in there. I can send that to the Philippines.
Okay.
Underwear. Uy. Look, oh. Burger thing. Let me see. Expiration, guys. You always have to look the expiration. Expired already. Look. Clothing. Clothing. Okay, this one have tags in here first. Okay. Pajama. Oh my god. Guys, oh, tikita niyo to, guys. Thank you, love. Okay, what's in here? Oh, look, I can use this, oh. Oh, it's a lot of them. I can use this, huh? Yeah, air fresheners. Put it on top of the how do you call it? Cat litter. What is this? Oh, what is this? Pillowcase. A pillowcase. Hala, hydrating facial cleanser. Nope. This shit. That's it. Okay. What's in here? Oh, more stuff. What the heck? Okay, put that. It's broken. Oh, this is nice, but it's broken. Look at this outdoor cleaner, hun. Can we just bring this? Outdoor cleaner. What is this? No, just leave it here because put it in the thing because I don't want it. Yeah. Okay, here, put it here. Can we use this for cleaner for what?
For the
furniture?
siding.
Oh, siding?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, what's in here, guys? Hala. Look at this beetroot. What the heck? Is this expired? Guys, ang dami. This is a lot. Look, oh. Halahan broth.
Broth?
Yeah. Chicken broth. This is expired?
Probably.
Look at it. It's right there on
October 22.
October this year?
Yeah.
Oh, hon, you can use this, hon. Some of them, oh, it's still good. Oh, I'm not taking. They took it out because look, the other ones. Okay, we're not bringing a lot, guys, because we're not bringing a lot. That's it. Huh?
You can take them because you use them.
You're using it?
Yeah, we use it. I use it for
If you cook the chicken, oh, this is rip. This is not rip. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you can use the pasta paste. That white stuff, white bag, it's a
yeah, vitamin stuff.
yeah. There is black bag here. No, nothing, huh? Come on, I'm going to I smell like a leather now. Hala, my shoes. Hold on. I'm good, honey. Hi guys! So ito na po yung nakuha natin. I know nakita na ninyo, pero this is just a really quick thing to show you because I know nakita na ninyo yan sa pagdadive natin. Pero ito po yung nakuha natin sa Basura kagabi. Ito yung nakuha natin. Hindi ko inopen pero look, itignan natin kasama kayo. Cushion. Pero this cushion is washable naman nung yung iba. Washable yung iba, ang iba hindi. Ito siya, look, I love my happy place. So, I like this. Look at that. It's a pillow. Pillow. I think this is the display pillow, guys. Ito yung mga display pillow nila. So, you know me, I'm going to wash it anyway. Because look, oh, ang gaganda. Ito yung mga display pillow nila. And then, they throw away. And here's another one. Oh my god, this is so fluffy. Let me see if this is washable. Oh, no. Oh, tinapon talaga nila, guys.
What's not washable?
The pillows, but I'm going to wash it anyway.
Why are you not washing?
I don't know. It doesn't say wash. Hello, why it says Walmart INC? Oh, maybe huh? So, yun. At saka, ilang pillows ba yung nakuha natin? Wow, dalawa, oh. Except yung yellow. Look. Wow, we got a ton of pillow. So, yun yung mga pillows, guys. Look. Ang dami. At ito, sa bead bath. Yun, flower pot. It's you can put a fake flower here. Ipadala ko to sa Pinas. And then, maraming undies. Look, dilagyan nila ng Ipadala ko lang po ito. Labhan lang. And then, fights na. Mga brief. Ibigay sa Pinas. Padala. Ito na lang hindi nila sinira. Let's see. Kasi, look, hindi nila sinira. So, yun. Yun. Ipadala lang ito sa mga dun sa Pinas, guys. And then, here you go. This is leggings. This is leggings. Ano pa? Another shirt. This shirt is Adventure. Musi Oak Adventure Large. And then, here's another leggings. Oh, yeah, leggings pang bata, guys. O, pang bata na leggings. What else? Ito, pillowcase. And then, another leggings. And, pajama. Ay, no, this is not pajama. This is blanket. Look, ipadala ko din yan kasi marami na kaming ganitong klaseng. And also, guys, sumali si Mr. Guys, diba? Sumali siya. 2022 pa siya ma-expired October. Chicken broth, ganun. And then, meron tayong nakuha sa ito, guys, oh. Okay, you guys move. Oh my God, laundry detergent. Ang gagawin ko lang is linisin ko lang po sila. So, yun. Laundry detergent. Lebring grocery, guys, sa Basura. Ginoo ko. At saka ito, kinuha ko. Hindi ko dinala lahat. Ano to? Miracle brands for cleaning sa labas. Yung mga mildew. At saka ito, tinapon nila. Iwan ko kung bakit. So, ito, magagamit ko to kasi meron pa ako. Kinikip ko yung yung isasaksak sa dingding. Yung electric man kasi. So, yun, kinuha ko siya. Meron tayong, ilagay ko to sa, so, ito siya is Swiffer. Yung basa sa pang mop sa floor, look. Pang mop sa floor, ito. And then, nakakuha din tayo ng another, blanket. Look, another blanket, guys. Labhan ko to siya. Blanket po ito, guys. Brand new po ito, guys. Hindi po ito yung mga gamit na yung mga brand new po ito, tinapon lang. Hindi ko dinala yung wire. And ito, magagamit ko to, guys. Ay! Oh my God, hindi ko nakita. Look. Itapon na naman ito dito. Ay, sayang. Magamit ko sana ito ba? Panglinis doon sa labas, tubig. Meron tayong nakuhang mga cat leader, guys. Look. Ito, libre na, guys. Basura. Alam nyo, mahal yung mga leather, guys. Nasa 15 bucks. So, yun. Mayroon tayong cat leather. 3 po yan siya. Tinapon lang siya, guys, kasi, look, may mga yun dito, sa gilid. So, kaya tinapon lang. So, yun lang siya, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!